Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial video on how to upload contacts from your database into your Outlook. So you want to have both your database open, start from the beginning here, and your Outlook open. And I use the desktop version of Outlook, but if you don't use the desktop version, don't worry, it should be very similar. If you have any problems, just let me know. But first, you're going to want to download the file from the database. So go into the Add Bulk Follow-up, and you're going to select the status of the group that you want to email. In this case, I'm going to upload my licensed support folks. And then I only want people who have an email, since that's the purpose I'm using it for. I cover King County, so I'm going to scroll down to select the county that I cover, and then if you cover multiple counties, you can just select whichever ones apply. And then I'm going to keep it at do not include email families who don't want to be contacted. I'm going to select Add All, and then in the filtered results box, you'll see all of the contacts who have been selected as a part of the download file that you're going to do. Scroll down and click Download List. Then you can drag and drop that to your desktop. Then you go back to your Outlook. So you have to create a place for this file to go. So if you go into your contacts, and I've already made a tab that I want to put them in, King West Contacts. To create a new folder for contacts to live, you just scroll over the contacts field, right click, and click New Folder. Since I already have the one that I want, I'm just going to title this one Tutorial. And there it populates it right underneath the contacts tab. So go back to your downloaded list, open that, and you're going to want to delete the first row because Outlook can't recognize a file to upload it if there's a field, an empty field at the top. So you will just delete that entire row, save it, close it. Okay, now you can go ahead and try to do the upload. So click the File tab, open and export, import export, and that will open the import export wizard. Because I've done this before, it automatically selects the one that I've done before, but it might not do that in your case. So make sure that it's selecting import from another program or file. Click Next. Comma separated values, and because I have Excel and I use Excel, it knew to save it as a comma separated values file type, but you're going to want to make sure that that's also what your file type is saved as. So browse to find the file you want to upload. And in this case, I select Do Not Import Duplicate Items. Okay, so here is where in my contacts, if it opens to your email and all you see is your email folders, just scroll down and you will get to your contacts. Under your contacts is where we created that new folder. And here's the tutorial one. So it should have selected right here the file that you had just selected to upload. You can then click on this Map Custom Fields, and you're going to just match the different fields to the fields that it has in your Outlook. So you might need to expand some of those folders to reach the subfolders and the subcategories. So then you just drag, and it already knows a lot of how to match it, so you just can even scroll through to make sure. So here, if you see mobile phone, home phone, that's where we're going to put day phone, will be mobile phone. home phone to Eve phone. And you can just, I mean, if you want your contacts, your email contacts to have all of that info, if you simply just want the name and the email, you don't need to worry about, you know, getting into the weeds with mapping, but it is available there if you'd like it. So just double check and make sure that the email is mapped. Oh, it's not. So we will do this and this. Okay. Select OK, finish. And it takes just a few moments to upload it. And I click on this folder and there it shows me all of the contacts. You can then go back into your email tab, select new email, click the 2. Under your address book drop-down bar, you're going to want to select tutorial or whatever you called yours. And then you can select, so you would just highlight the whole list and then double click it or drag it to whatever field. This is the long way because I'm holding the camera, but you would select the whole list and then, oh, why is it doing that? Double click it and it would put it in the 2 portion. You're going to want to make sure you put everything into the BCC so that you're not sharing everybody's emails with each other. And then you would go back and do that whole same process for each of the different lists that you wanted to make sure to upload. Application in, and that's how you do it.